you're experiencing crashing issues with The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Visit the official website to verify that your hardware and software are compatible with the game. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure you have the most stable version. Step 3. Repair the game. Use the repair feature in the game launcher. Right-click on The Sims 4 in your game library and select Repair. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the crashes. Step 4. Remove mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed, they may be causing conflicts. Temporarily remove them by moving them to another folder and then launch the game to see if the crashing persists. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the game options, select the graphics tab, and reduce the quality settings. This can help improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the crashing issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider seeking further support from the game's community or official forums.